Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a box from B-Stock. It's my first box from B-Stock. It's a clothing box. So we're going to see, am I going to make money on this one? So this cost me $215, and each item in here is roughly going to be about $4.25 an item. Okay, so just a little over $4 an item. So let's go ahead and just unbox this and we'll see what's in there.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right. So these are supposed to be brands I'm not super familiar with, but when we looked up the MSRP and what these brands were going for, they were supposed to be really good. Ooh, I already like. Well, they have Nordstrom tags on them, so this is looking promising. All right, so let's just pull out one of these. We see lots that look like this, so I'm just going to pull one out of the bag, and let's see what exactly it even is. All right, this is a sleeveless button-up top, it looks like. Looks like a ladies, maybe? Is that a ladies? Treasure Bond is the name brand. This one is a size small. I don't know if that's girls or guys. I would guess it's ladies. That's ladies. All right. So that one is a size small. I'm going to keep it with the bag because it does have a barcode on the bag and also on the tag. So we're going to get that bag back in there. And let's go ahead and just look at the different sizes. So this one was a size small. This one's an extra small. Let's see. I'll throw them here. There's another small. An extra small. So far, I don't like that. We can't sell smalls and extra smalls very well. Here is a medium. We're getting better. Ooh, here's an extra large. Even better. I'm loving that they're brand new in condition. Here's a large. I'm just trying to find all the blue ones. And here is a medium. Okay, so I love anything that's like a medium. Ooh, wait, is there another one? There is. It's like a treasure hunt. Size small. Let's see. I'm going to dig in here. Extra small. Meh. They don't sell for very well. Now, this brand, we might be able to get a little money out of it, but let's see. This one's a large. That's good. A medium. So we may put some of these on the fire sale. So be watching for some of these clothing items ending up in the fire sale. Okay. That's all I can see right off the bat. So I'm going to move all these blue ones over to the next table, and let's see what other kinds we have. Anytime I have a duplicate, I'll pull at least one out to show you what it looks like. What's this white striped something? This one is a 26. It must be a pair of pants then, I'm guessing. Nordstrom again. The brand is Treasure Bond again. What are these? Oh, a pair of dress pants. Pair of dress pants. Are those? Yeah. So, really cute pair of ivory cloud trouser stripes. So they have pockets here. This is a size 26. So Nordstrom does like the European sizes, I guess.
Does it have a price on the Nordstrom?
It does not. It's just a plain tag. So we'll have to kind of scan these and see what... Watch our listing video, because we're definitely going to go through each and every one of these items, scan them. Let's see how much we can send to Amazon and how much money we're going to make. We'll also look up anything we can't find on Amazon and make sure that we can list it elsewhere and come up with numbers there too. So we will give you profit numbers on the second video. All right, so that's a 26 waist. This is a 31. This one is a 31. This one is a... size 31. This one is a, 29. Lots of duplicates, which means fast listing. This one is a 31. Hope somebody's a 31 out there. 33. So bigger sizes are better. 32. A 30. 25, that's tiny. 32. Lots of these. What else we got in here? This one looks like it's been opened. I'm just going to look and see what this one looks like because it's been opened. This one looks pretty good. 31 still. All right. Put it back in that bag. All right, then we've got it's hard to find the tag, 26. Any more? One more. 31. 31. Any more? Nope. All right, if you want to take a look in the box while I move all these over. Lots of duplicates, which will make it easy, and they're already bagged. So even if I send them to Amazon or Poshmark, I already have them bagged. Saves me time. And if they're still bagged, I know they're in great condition. So there are no holes in them and all that stuff. So less inspecting time for me. All right, I see something sparkly, so I have to pull it out. This is it's like a crop top. Free People. Ooh, that's a good brand. Originally $98. That one is a size small, but it's a Free People. So the likelihood that it's going to sell is pretty high. So Free People's very popular, and it's so sparkly. Sorry. I love things that sparkle. All right. Then we have Jade Small. Let's go ahead and just open this up and see what this looks like. Remember, $4.25 is what I spent on most of these. I'll lay it flat for you. Hold on one sec. All right, it's a cute little tank top with little pom-poms on the bottom. So this one is a Willow and Clay size small. Willow and Clay size small. That's super cute. Tags are all still on it and everything. I don't see a price tag, though. It does have tags, but not a price on it. All right, so there's that one. What else we got in here? We got some hangers. I'm not sure what's on the hangers. All right, we've got RDI. This one clearly looks like it's been rebagged. So we'll just pull it out and definitely take a good look at what it looks like. This is a turtleneck sweater. This almost, I think this could be a men's, or is it a women's? Maybe it's a women's. RDI size 2X. Yeah, this is a ladies. 2X green turtleneck sweater. That's what that belt looks like. Plain on the back. Very lightweight though. 2X. Love that sizing. We're going to be able to sell that pretty quickly. That should go on the fire sale, I think. All right, what is this? This is coming out of the bag, so we'll just take it out of the bag. All right, that is a wild jacket right there. Séjour 814W zip up coat jacket. As you can see, really nice, lightweight, flowy. Does it have a price on it? Black and blue jungle print is what it says, but it has the barcode, so hopefully we can find it online. It's exact same way on the back. It's lined on the inside, so that's a good size too, 14W. All right, what else we got in here? Okay, this isn't with its bag, so we'll definitely have to kind of off the shoulder green top. What brand is it? Go Couture. Go Couture, size large. Let me straighten that out there. Go Couture. So I am not disappointed with condition right now. This is crazy wrinkly, but other than that, just hang that while you're taking a shower. It'll take some wrinkles out. All right. I'm not disappointed with what I see with the B-stock condition right now. So, of course, I think I picked this. I think it said it was grade A. This is an off-the-shoulder. Is that a dress? Looks like a dress. Pink Bright. What is that brand? Chelsea 28. It's a medium off-the-shoulder dress, or I guess you could do a kind of a boat neck, but ruffled, pretty dress. Let me hold it up. It'll probably be easier to kind of tell how that looks. Sleeveless dress. That's cute. It's very pretty. All right, let's get it back in its bag so we don't lose the barcodes. What else we got in here? Is this another one just like it? Off the shoulder, bright pink dress. Okay, so we've got a medium in that. I'm just going to see if I can find extra small. Same dress. This one's a small. They all say bright pink, so large. What else we got? This one say bright pink. Yep, small. Large. small. There's some other bags in here. Okay, I think that might be it for those. All right, so more duplicates, which is awesome. We're going to set these over here. Keep them all together. All right, what else we got in here? More pink. Clearly more pink. Let's see what's on these hangers. Okay, come on. You can do it. All right. So I think it was an attempt to keep it in a bag. Well, we're just going to pull this off for right now, just so we can see what it looks like. And then we know anything on a hanger is probably this item. Okay, let's pull that off. Go Couture is the same. Excuse me, hanger. I'm trying to work here. All right. All right. This is a size small. Gravy, I'm having issues. All right. Let's just do this. There. All right. So this is a size small. It's got little cinchers, the thing. And then this looks like it could go off the shoulder or be like a boat neck style. So that one is a size small. And I'm just going to kind of, while you're looking at that, read off the other ones. This one is a...
That's different.
Is it? Yeah, you're right. This is a cold shoulder. This is a cold shoulder. And this one is a medium. Go Couture, though. Same kind. This one's a cold shoulder medium. We'll just do like that. All right. And this one is the cold shoulder. And this one is a small. Let's see what else we got here. This one is just like the one on the table, and it's a medium. This one is like the one on the table, and it's also a medium. Feel like a broken record. This one is a medium. This one is a, oh, this one feels bigger. It feels bigger. All right, this one is a large. Yay, we have a different size. I don't like having too many of the same size because it takes forever to sell the same exact size of one item. Okay, this one is the cold shoulder kind, and this one's a medium. Man, this hanger is bonkers. All right. This one is the cold shoulder kind as well, and this one's a medium. I would like to have bigger sizes, but that's all right. The condition is great for these. Remember, $4.24 a piece. So another cold shoulder. This one's a small. They had entirely too much fun with this plastic. Okay, here's a small cold shoulder again. Somebody liked the color pink in this box. Clearly, this color did not sell well. This one's a medium. You know how some of those mall stores like Nordstrom, they like pick a color and that's like the season? This one's a medium. And so they, fill the entire store with that yellow that no one wants to wear. And then it ends up in boxes like this for us. So this must have been the pink that no one wanted to wear. This is a medium cold shoulder as well. You know what, did I find a large cold shoulder? I might have to steal a large cold shoulder. All right, here's another medium. So if you're a medium, check out our Poshmark store because you're going to be seeing some pink shirts. All right, here's a size small or a size small. Ooh, they might end up in some of our women's mystery boxes too. I like those. Those are fun. So sometimes when I have too many of one kind, I like to sneak my new merchandise into my women's mystery box that I have available at hookedonpickin.com. You get 5 tops for $14.99. All right, medium. What else is this? Okay, is this one? Okay, this is a cold shoulder, size medium as well. So that's a better way to look at it, not covered in plastic. Okay, I'm going to leave it over here with the rest of them so I don't mix them up, because they're the exact same fabric. Okay, this one is a size large in this style. Okay, what is this? This one is just like this. What size is it? This one's a medium. And this one is an extra large. Ooh, all right. Then this one is, I think the last cold shoulder pink one we have, this one's a medium. So we have like a bazillion of these mediums, but those will be fun because they're really cute. Okay, what is this? I'm just going to move these over and kind of push the box. We don't have too much left in the box. This is an orange something, kind of a coral color. What is it? All right. Is it a jumper? Romper? Yeah, it's a pants. It's got the little cute top, pants, spaghetti straps. It's got pockets in it. Crop pants. So those are cute. All right. So that is okay, here's a different brand we haven't seen yet. So it's called Frace Coral, and this one's a size medium. Frace by J. That's what it's called. I do have one more of those, and it's also a medium. So I have two of those. What is this? This is a sheer kind of peasant style top. This one is willow and clay, and it's a size small. It does have sleeves. That's a pretty one. Here's the tag on that. Willow and clay. Kind of has a little bit of a Aztec-y paisley almost. All right, this one is a 1XL. Yay, 24/7 comfort. Let's see what it is. 24/7 comfort. Something that's gray. And it's a 1XL. Let's pull this back and see what it is. It's a cardigan. Okay. How's it go? It goes like this. See? It's like ruffled. That's really cute. I didn't have it on all the way, but but yeah, it's got a little cincher in the back so it'll fit nice and snug, kind of a short crop top cardigan. So that's a 24/7. Here, let me show you the tag on that one. Made in the USA. It's a 1X. 1X on that. And the last thing in the box, remember, $4.25. I only spent $215, and that was completely shipped as well. So $215 completely shipped. Nick and Zoe, size medium. Ooh, that is the softest shirt ever. So it's a plain black shirt, but if you look, like the seam down here kind of looks navy blue or grayish, and then the same thing on the sleeves. And it is the softest fabric I've ever felt. It's almost feels like that microfiber, but it's not as much. And here is the tag here. Size medium. So we got a good variety. I think the stuff that I do have is in great condition, so I'll be able to list it really fast. So watch that second listing video. See, do we make our $215 back? Are we going to make more than $4.25 per each garment? I don't really know, because these are all kind of new brands to me, but the fact that it's a Nordstrom store makes me feel a little bit better about the product. So watch that second video, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you're interested in becoming a reseller, I offer consultation calls. Just go to hookedonpickin.com, pick the amount of time you want. I will send you an email. We'll set up a time, and then you get to pick my brain about my many years of experience in reselling so that it can fast track you to making money this way as well.